To open the hood in Lexus GX550, you have to locate the hood release lever on the left side of the steering wheel, right here. Pull it. Now you will need to locate the auxiliary hood release lever, which is located approximately right here. I will try to show you guys. It's on the bottom. Pull it to the left, and then you'll be able to open the hood. Again, this is the lever that we are looking for, and it is located approximately in the middle of the vehicle. The hood is being held by two struts. There is one on the left side and one on the right side, so it will open automatically. When you need to close it, pull it down all the way. You don't have to smash it like this. Simply rest it on the lock and then push it down, and that's it. The procedure is complete.